Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll guide you through creating a stunning center bead pendant choker necklace. A center bead pendant choker chain necklace is a timeless accessory that combines simplicity and elegance. Learn to create a stunning center bead pendant choker chain necklace with this easy tutorial. This affordable and easy project is perfect for beginners. Create a stunning center bead pendant choker effortlessly. Gather your materials, and let's get started crafting. Materials needed: bead pendant, chain, lobster, jump rings, jewelry pliers, wire cutters if needed. Choose a bead pendant with holes on both sides for easy chain attachment. This design ensures stability and balance, making your choker look professional. The pendant serves as the centerpiece, adding charm and elegance to your handmade accessory. For this project, opt for a 2mm gold cable chain. Its sleek, durable design perfectly complements the bead pendant, adding a touch of elegance and ensuring a professional, polished finish. Choose 2mm jump rings to complement the delicate look of the necklace. These small, subtle connectors ensure a secure attachment for the pendant and chain. Select a gold lobster clasp to complement the choker's design. Its secure closure and matching finish enhance the necklace's elegance. Choose a small gold tag to attach to the extension chain for a refined touch. This detail adds elegance and a finished look, making your necklace design feel truly complete and professional. Use jewelry pliers, including flat nose and round nose types, for precise handling of jump rings and chain connections. I'm choosing a cable chain for this project because of its classic design and durability. Its evenly spaced links provide a perfect base, ensuring the necklace looks elegant and professional. For a slightly shorter necklace, measure the cable chain to 14 inches. Use a ruler or measuring tape for precision. Using flat-nose jewelry pliers, gently twist open a chain link to separate it. Avoid pulling the link apart to maintain its shape and ensure a clean connection for your necklace design. Take the 14-inch chain and measure it carefully with a ruler or measuring tape. Use jewelry pliers and wire cutters to cut the chain into 2 equal 7-inch pieces. These halves will form the symmetrical sides of your necklace, ensuring balance and a polished, professional appearance for your design. Lay your chain flat on a clean surface, positioning the pendant at the center. Arrange jump rings, lobster clasp, and extension chain nearby for easy access. Use pliers to gently open a jump ring by twisting it sideways. Insert the jump ring through the end link of one chain piece. Slide the pendant onto the opened jump ring, ensuring it's centered and aligned. Use pliers to gently twist the jump ring back to its original position, closing it securely. Use pliers to open another jump ring by twisting it sideways. Attach it to the other end of the chain. Attach the pendant to the open jump ring, ensuring it's properly positioned. Use pliers to securely close the jump ring. Now that the two chains are securely attached to the pendant, the centerpiece is perfectly positioned. Use pliers to open a jump ring carefully. Slide it through the end link of the chain necklace. Attach the lobster clasp to the open jump ring. Use pliers to close the jump ring securely for a firm connection. Open another jump ring using pliers, twisting it gently to avoid distorting its shape. Attach it to the end link of the chain. Then slide the extension chain onto the same jump ring. Close the jump ring securely, ensuring the extension chain is firmly attached for an adjustable necklace length. For the final touch, open a jump ring using pliers and slide a small tag onto it. Attach the tag to the end of the chain, ensuring it aligns properly. Close the jump ring tightly, securing the tag in place, adding an elegant finishing detail to your necklace. This easy, simple necklace project is perfect for beginners. With basic materials like a chain, jump rings, and a pendant, you'll create a stylish, elegant piece in no time. You can find these pendants online on jewelry supply websites, craft stores, or marketplaces like Etsy and Amazon. For the second necklace, I'm using the same technique to attach the pendant and lobster clasp. However, I'm skipping the extension chain for a simpler, minimalist look. This creates a sleek design, ideal for those who prefer straightforward, elegant jewelry that pairs effortlessly with any outfit or style. Lay your chain flat on a clean surface, positioning the pendant at the center. Arrange jump rings, lobster clasp. As you can see, I'm not using an extension chain this time, keeping the necklace simple and minimalist. Use pliers to gently open a jump ring by twisting it sideways. Insert the jump ring through the end link of one chain piece. Slide the pendant onto the opened jump ring, ensuring it's centered and aligned. Attach the jump ring to the pendant, then slide it onto the end of the chain necklace. Use pliers to securely close the jump ring, ensuring a stable connection. Repeat the same process on the other half of the necklace. Attach a jump ring to the pendant and slide it onto the remaining chain. Close the jump ring securely to ensure both sides are evenly balanced. Use pliers to open a jump ring carefully. Slide it through the end link of the chain necklace. Attach the lobster clasp to the open jump ring. Use pliers to close the jump ring securely for a firm connection. Open the final jump ring using pliers, gently twisting it sideways. Insert the jump ring into the last link of the chain necklace. Ensure it's properly aligned and securely positioned. Close the jump ring tightly to complete the necklace and ensure a polished, professional finish. This jump ring serves as the closure for the necklace, ensuring a secure and functional design. It connects seamlessly to the lobster clasp, providing an easy-to-use fastening system that keeps the necklace stylish and wearable. This versatile piece effortlessly transforms into a choker, offering a snug and stylish fit that enhances your neckline. Perfect for layering or wearing alone, its adjustable design makes it suitable for various occasions, adding charm and elegance to any outfit. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your time and support. Stay tuned for more exciting jewelry designs and tutorials.